Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. So, wherever you're tuning in from, let me know where, because I'm connected to people all around the world. That's the amazing thing about social media. It's changed the world, hasn't it? We connect with people all around the world. So for me, it's evening. For some of you, it might be morning. For some of you, it might be afternoon. So let me know if you're catching the replay or if you're on live. Give me some hearts so that I know that you're there. That would be amazing. Thank you so much. So I play with this thing, this energy thing. I'm gonna teach you something today. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Anna and I am a manifesting coach, and I help entrepreneurial women let go of the fears and doubts that are holding them back from manifesting their desires. So, excuse the way I look. I have just come back, so my hair's got oil in it. I've just come back from an incredible Thai massage, and oh, it feels amazing. So I enjoyed that. So I've had my head down in the little window on the massage beds, and I'm loving it. After this, I think I'm going to go and have a nice bubble bath just to top it all off today for pampering myself today. So let's talk about energy. Okay, so it's becoming more and more to the forefront, which I love, that the fact that it's becoming more mainstream. People are starting to understand energy, and probably Rhonda Byrne is probably one of the key people who's really influenced a movement about energy and the law of attraction through her movie The Secret. So, because I know that's where I kind of woke up to the thought about, wow, I can think my way into reality. I can think my way into what I want to create in my life. But let's talk a little bit about energy so that you can understand that a little bit. So all matter is energy. Even though we don't see it as energy, we perceive it as solid things. But if you were to grab the world's strongest microscope and put it on any solid object, you will see it's atoms. And then in the atoms, if we go even further and deeper, the atoms are protons, neurons, and electrons. Now, the atoms are 99.9 times 10, 99.999910 times, so 10 nines, percent empty space. So let's figure out how this works. Now, consciousness is what moves matter, or what moves energy. The awareness moves energy, and then through the awareness of that energy, it then shifts it and turns it into particles. So it's absolutely incredible. Now, particles are formed through thought. So there's an intention behind matter. So everything that exists in the physical world was first an intention. I've done another video on that. Was first an intention where it turns to matter. So how does that work with us and us creating our reality? Now I'm going to do a little experiment with you right now, because I want to show you where attention goes, energy flows. Okay? So be aware of your surroundings now, and what you're focused on me probably, or you should be probably focused on me, or maybe you're focusing on something else, doing something at the moment, and you're just maybe listening to me in the background. But watch what happens when we focus our energy and focus our attention. Okay, we're ready? So, hi Nadine, hey William. Now I want you to, now we're going to do the energy experiment. I want you to put all of your attention, put all of your attention on your left foot. Put all of your attention on your left foot. Hi Nadine. Just focus all of your attention on your left foot. Feel the sole of your foot, feel the toes, feel the shoes or the ground, whatever you can feel on your left foot. What's happening? What can you feel? I'll tell you what I'm feeling. I'm feeling all of a sudden there's this major awareness of my foot. My sole is tingling. The sole of my foot is tingling. It actually feels a little bit like it's expanding as well. That's right, tingling. Nadine says tingling. I can feel all the socks. Hi, Angela. I can feel my socks. I've got boots on, so I can feel my socks. And really just a beautiful tingly feeling, almost like pins and needles. The more I focus on it, the stronger it gets. I love that feeling. Hi, Angela. Are you focusing, Angela? Are you doing the lesson? So focus on your left foot. Shut out the rest of the world. Shut out everything else that you're doing. Just focus on your left foot. Now it's really getting pins and needly. My foot is really getting pins and needly. And I love this experiment because it shows you where your focus goes, energy flows. And you can do that with any other part of your body. Let's do that with something else. Okay, I want you to focus on, hey Adam, gorgeous Adam. So I want you to focus on your right hand. Focus on your right hand. Where is it resting? What is it? What can you feel on it? Can you feel air around it? Focus your attention all on your right hand. What can you feel? Can you feel the energy shift? Can you feel movement shift? Focus your energy, focus your attention on your right hand. Okay, now it's starting for me because it's moving from my foot to my hand. Okay, so now I'm starting to feel, my hands actually starting to feel cold. What are you feeling? Message me what you're feeling. Oh, sorry, if you're right-handed, it's going to be a bit hard to message. Okay, so now I'm starting to feel a bit of the tingles in my right hand. Now my fingertips are all feeling, I can predominantly feel my fingertips. And I can feel there's like a cold surface on the top. This is the experiment that shows you, as I've said already, where your attention goes, energy flows. Now, Adam says, I can feel a transfer of energy. Awesome, awesome. Now, the purpose of this live is to teach you how your thoughts create your experience. Now, if we focus on the good in our lives, if we focus on what's going right, more of it will show up. It will magnify. It will amplify. If we focus on what's going wrong, it will magnify. It will amplify. This simple little experiment shows you how where you put your focus, that's what stands out. That's what stands out in your reality. That's how you start to shape your reality, by focusing on what you desire. But we're not focusing on what we desire. We're focusing on what we don't want. We're focusing on what's going wrong. We're focusing on what's hard, what's difficult, what's not right, where our problems are, who's annoying us, what's going wrong, what we don't like. Can you see the difference? Can you see? This is like a real wake-up call. I love this. So how do we then shift? It's just a shift in perspective. Okay? The other day I did a video about how the thoughts are untamed wild horses. We have to rein them in. Well, so is our focus. Our focus is the same. We can deliberately choose to focus on what we want to experience and what we want to attract. And it's just like a muscle. It's a manifesting muscle. We've just got to build it, and we've got to build it. We've got to focus on it. We've got to practice it. So use this as an example to anchor what you want. Just, whether you're at work or whether you're driving in the car, play with that. Play with the focus of energy. How many times have you thought about somebody and all of a sudden the phone's rung, that person's ringing you? That's the energy. That's you projecting the energy out there, and then all of a sudden they get this inclination because they get connected. They feel the energetic impulse, and they give you a call. That happens to me all the time. I love that. But it's a play. It shows you how we play in the universe, how we play in the energetic field, because it's all about our consciousness. Our consciousness creates our reality, and what we focus on is what we bring in. What we focus on, we amplify. What we focus on, we magnify. I love this. It's really, because it's so true, but it's still difficult. It's difficult because it's a practice. It has to be a practice. Yes, Adam says it always happens. With the phone calls, is that what you're talking about, Adam? So practice this, because when you practice this, when you strengthen this ability, sometimes people say, oh, you're so lucky, things that happen, well, not to me, but just generally to me, or just anybody else. But people say, oh, you're so lucky, why do things always keep happening for you, etc. That's because their focus is there. Their focus is on what's going right instead of what's going wrong. And then there's people in life. Gosh, I know so many of these sorts of people. They focus on all the negativity in the world. They focus on everything that's going wrong. They focus on bad news, basically. And then more of that shows up for them. Life's challenges show up for them. They get magnified. So where focus goes, energy flows. Practice that. Play with that with other parts of your body or whatever. You can also ask for signs. That's also energy. You can also ask. This is probably better for another lesson or another video. But that's how energy works as well. Energy works. Hi, Danny. So energy works that way, where you put your focus. So if you put your focus on, you want a sign, for example, a feather or a 5-cent piece, or if you're in America, a penny. Watch what happens. Where attention goes, energy flows. Where you focus, it shows up. Okay, so that's my lesson for today. Let me know what you think. Let me know what resonates with you. That'd be awesome. So I have a Manifest Intensive program. Now, the Manifest Intensive program is a 4-week one-on-one coaching program. We do 2 sessions per week because I build on the momentum of manifesting, shifting consciousness and shifting energy. So it's for anybody that's really entrepreneurial and driven, who really wants to make changes in their life, who are ready to make change. Because you can easily say, yeah, I'm ready to make change, but maybe you're not. So if you're ready to make change, then consider this. Send me a message. Awesome, Adam, I'll check it out. So it's for people who are ready to change, people who are ready to step out of the mundane and start living their reality, their existence, or living their lives to their full potential. Okay, so, and in this course, after you've done this course, I've just got the notes here so that I don't forget anything. After this course, you will know how to use your mind as a creative source of all manifestation, so that you feel empowered to make future choices and decisions that serve your highest truth. You'll have strengthened your connection to source energy, so that you'll never feel separate again. Okay, you'll know what you want with clarity, so you can move forward in the right direction. You will remove self-doubt, lack thinking, and self-worthiness issues that are holding you back, so that you can finally live the life you truly desire. And you'll have a manifesting toolbox to draw on in the future, so that you won't feel lost or confused about what to do. And you'll also feel supported by the universe and know how to connect with its power and its source, so you can easily create from that space. And you'll be able to bless and release the past, so you can finally move forward. Okay, and the most important thing is that you'll be accountable. You'll be accountable to a coach. And when you work with a coach, because I'm working with a coach as well, all coaches are working with coaches. Go figure, because they know the power of coaching. So they know the power of, when you work with someone, you're accountable to someone. And not only that, there's a transference of energy. Okay, so there's a transference of energy and belief when you work with a coach, because they believe in you. They believe in you, and they show you the way. And then their belief in you helps you expand, helps you shift and change your reality. Okay, so if you're interested in that, comment below. Okay, prices are about to go up for August. I do the coaching programs by the month. So August is about, I'm taking bookings for August. After that, the price goes up. So let me know if you resonate with this information that I've been sharing, if you really want to learn how to step into your power by using your energy, your focus, your connection to all things, and your consciousness. And I can show you how to do that. So also I have a Journey to Manifesting official Facebook group. Come and join us in there. I'm about to go and do a live in there. Come and join us in there for free trainings and to help you stay connected to the law of attraction and manifesting. So I'm going to see you all again tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Play with that energy. Play with that energy. Watch where, see now, because now I'm focused back onto you guys. I've lost the focus on my foot and my hand because now my energy has changed. My focus has changed, and therefore I can't think of the word for it. And therefore, when my focus has changed, therefore my energy has shifted and changed to focus on you. So I love playing that because it's just amazing how that happens. So I will see you all again tomorrow. Message me if this resonates for you. If you're interested in the Manifest Intensive coaching program, my one-on-one 4-week program. Okay, so taking calls for next month. All right, I will see you again. I'll talk to you in a sec, Adam. I'll see you all again tomorrow. Play with energy. Remember, where your focus goes, energy flows. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.